Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is yet another nesting vlog. So today I was going to pack my hospital bag and I have everything sorted out on my bed here. So I thought before I pack them into my bags and suitcases, I'll share what I'm taking to my hospital with you guys. Otherwise I'll just have to unpack again and pack again. So firstly, this is one of the trolley bags that I'm taking. This is a cabin size trolley bag and I have a similar one. So I think these two should suffice. Let me go step by step. I have a list of things that I've made in my diary here, and so these are the things I'm taking for myself, and these are the things I'm taking for baby and other stuff along with that, like documents, etc. So I'll take you through these one by one. Firstly, for myself, let me show you what I'm taking. First is my sipper bottle. This is what I'm going to carry. This is what I use on a regular basis. You guys must have seen this in so many of my videos. So anyways, I'll have to pack this at the last moment along with some snacks options. After that, nightgowns and night suits. So I'm taking three. First two are these nightgowns, which are front open, top to bottom. They have buttons on them like this, about knee length or midi length, and which will be nursing friendly also. So this is one and this is one. Both are button downs from top to bottom, and both are like very loose fitting, so it's going to be very comfortable. And the third one is this night dress, shirt and long pajamas, because it's going to be kind of cold at that time, so I might want to cover up my legs. So this is the third option that I'm taking, which has a full pajama. So these are the three things that I'm taking for myself to wear. After that, maternity pads, sanitary pads. I'm taking this one whole pack because this I think has 10 pads. So if I need more, then I'll buy it in the hospital itself. So these are quite huge, big pads, maternity pads. So I think I will definitely need them. So I'm taking this one whole pack. After that, I have nursing bras and nursing pads. So I'm taking, this is the one flap over the other kind of style nursing bra, so you can just pull it down and feed the baby. This is one, and this other one is of the other style where you need to snap this thing and pull it down, right? So this is one color. So these are the two nursing bras that I'm taking, along with few nipple pads, because you leak when you have milk in your boobs. So I'm taking just 4 or 6 of them. If I need more, I'll just tell somebody to get them from my home, because my hospital is like just 3 kilometers from my house, so that's convenient. After that, hair clips and hair ties. So this whole bag I'm taking for my toiletries, this bag. So let me show you what I have here. A hairbrush. Then I have these 2 containers for taking our toothbrushes, mine and my husband's. Then I have taken this one small pouch where I have put a lot of cotton balls. I think that'll be required. Then I have my moisturizer, I have my body lotion, a small one. Then I have nipple cream, which I think will be required. I have just a gulab gel face mist, just to feel fresh. Then I have also taken a lavender essential oil. I don't know if I'll use it, but I've heard that it really helps to calm you down, and I think I'll need a lot of calming down in the hospital when I'm in labor. And I have taken one deodorant roll on and one face wash, all mini sizes. And then I don't think I'll want to wash my hair and all that in the hospital, so I've taken a dry shampoo just in case I feel too sticky or itchy on my scalp. Then I have a clip, hair ties and hair clips, and then I have a lip balm and another option for the face wash. That's all I have for toiletries. And after that, for the hospital, I'm taking 2 pairs of socks a little above the ankle, because I'm someone who wears a lot of socks anyways, so I might be a little cold in the hospital. After that, for makeup, I'm taking something very minimal, only just a small wipe. This was a sample I received along with some of the baby things, so just a wipe, wet wipe to wipe my face, 2 brushes, one for the blush, one for the concealer. So I'm taking this stick blush with me, and a concealer, a lipstick, and an eyebrow pencil. So in terms of makeup, you can say I'm taking these 5 things: concealer, lipstick, blush, kajal, and eyebrow pencil. That's all. Next is a hot water flask. This is an IKEA flask and it's excellent. It keeps the water warm or hot for a very long time, almost a whole day. So I'm taking this. I will obviously be filling it up with hot water and taking it. Next, I have a sleeping eye mask. This one, in case there is too much light, I cannot sleep if there is even a little bit of light in a room. So if I want some peaceful sleep, this is something that will be useful. Next I have a beanie. It's said here that, you know, after delivery the mom should cover the head either with a scarf or something, because she's very prone to getting headaches or something. I don't know how much true it is, but I am taking this. I don't want to put a scarf and tie and all that, so I'll just wear a beanie. And I'm taking one shawl and one oversized sweater which is front open again. A towel that I'll take for myself, because I don't know how good the hospital towels are going to be. Then I am taking my pillow, this one which I use every day for my sleeping purpose, so I'm going to take that. And also a blanket with me. This is a very lightweight comforter actually, so I just take this. I don't know how comfortable the hospital blankets are going to be, so these 2 things I am going to carry no matter what. And then a set of undies. I'll anyways have to wear a lot of pads, maternity pads with them, so I'm taking like mid-waist proper undies, you know. So I think that's all for myself that I'm taking. Next, let's move on to the baby section. Okay, for baby, I am firstly taking a blanket. I might take another one. I'm still thinking whether one will suffice. So this is a super soft blanket that my mom gifted. I think you guys have seen this in my nesting vlog, first nesting vlog, where I took you through my chest of drawers. So this blanket I'm going to take. It's a fleece blanket, very soft. Secondly, 2 swaddles. So these are 2 swaddles I'm taking. So cute. So these 2 swaddles I'm going to take. Before making my list, I have taken opinions from 3 to 4 of my friends who already have given birth and have babies. So I've taken their help to decide the list. Then diapers. I have this one big pack of diapers, but I'll see if it fully fits in my luggage, then I will take the whole pack. Otherwise I might take out few of them from this and just maybe carry half of it. It has 44 pieces. I'm not sure if over 2 to 3 days I'll need 44 pieces. I might actually need, so I'll try to take the whole pack anyways. So along with diapers, I'll also take one whole pack of this 99% pure water wipes. How many wipes do we have here? 72 baby wipes. I'll anyways take the whole pack. This is one big pack. So these two things, I think I've taken only 2 onesies as of now, because what I've heard is they like to keep the lower part open, because they'll wear big diapers. So I don't know how much onesies are going to be used, but I'm still taking these 2. And along with that, I'm also taking few vests, because it's going to be cold. There will be a lot of layering required for the baby's clothes. So vests as in these things, which this is one of the things that my mom got stitched and brought it for the baby. Might be a little big for newborn, I don't know, but I'm taking this because if I make baby wear this inside his or her sleeper, it's going to be warm. And similar one I have, this is a very soft muslin one. This is another vest kind of thing. And then I have this one, which is again a front open. I can put this also inside under the sleeper. So these 3 things I'm taking along with the 2 onesies. Full sleepers. For sleepers also I'm taking only 2. I think it'll suffice. One is one plain white one, and this printed bear one. This is so cute. So this one, I think all of this I have showed you guys when I took you through my baby clothes collection. For outfits, I am taking again 2 options. I think I'm pretty much set on this one. This is a kind of thick padded kind of material, which is going to be very warm for the baby, especially because baby is coming in the winter. So this is a zippered one, and it's going to keep the baby really warm. It's a full sleeper with booties. So this definitely is going to be the baby's, I think, coming home outfit. Along with that, I have taken another set as an option, which is this pink one, which has a pant and this front open top. Again, I'll have to layer this with something inside of it because it's going to be cold. After that, for socks, mittens and hats. So for hats, I am taking 3. This is part of the pink set that I'm taking. This one, and then this hat. And then this hat is pretty small. It's actually preemie size, but I don't know how big or small the baby is gonna be, so I'm taking both the options. These 2 are newborn sizes, and this is a preemie size. Along with them, with this, I also have the mittens and the socks, which are also very small because they're preemie size. And with the pink one, again, I have the mittens. And for the socks, I'm taking 3 pairs as option. This is one pair of socks, and this is one pair of socks. Along with this, I have the mittens for this one, and I have another pair of socks. That's the white one. This one. I also got gifted a full set of newborn essentials, like a top and mittens and socks and bibs and towel and everything. One whole set for the newborn size. I might end up taking 1 or 2 things from that as well. I still need to wash it. So that came in my baby shower, and also stay tuned for a baby shower haul, gifts haul video, which is coming up next. After that, yeah, I have taken this nail filer because babies are born with very sharp long nails, and they scratch themselves and also me when they're feeding. So this is going to be very useful. This has different settings of filing the nails. Baby carry nest, because we would need this when we are carrying the baby in the car and bringing the baby home. So I am taking a little bowl or a container, and inside this I'm also going to carry I don't know what that is called, a spoon kind of a pointed thing, which is used to feed the baby initially. if in case you have pumped out milk and the baby is not latching, you pumped out your milk, or you don't have milk and you have to feed formula to the baby. So initially there's a very small spoon kind of thing that you use in India to feed the baby initially. So that thing my friend is bringing over. I'm going to take that and put it inside this container, and this also might be helpful in some way, I don't know. So I'm taking that, and then I am taking one baby towel. So I've heard that sometimes hospitals give you those disposable towels anyways, which they will use. So still, from my end, I'm taking this very soft baby towel, very cute. So I'm taking this, and then I'm taking two bob cloths, just to wipe baby's face if we have any spit up or anything. This is one, and this one small one. That's all I'm taking. If you need more, again, like I said, the hospital is nearby. Somebody can quickly come and grab more things if needed. Apart from that, I'm taking a very small sample size baby wash, head to toe wash, but I think the hospital will anyways provide. So I'm just taking this. I'm not taking any baby lotion also. If required, I'll take something from the hospital. And I'm taking a sanitizer also with me, because people will come to see, even for us ourselves, before I hold the baby or something like that. So sanitizer anyways will be required. So this one big one I'm taking. Yeah, I think that's all that I'm taking, along with my documents, the insurance documents, and our ID cards, and credit and debit cards, and all of that. Phone chargers. I don't know, some people might say I have overpacked, some people might say I'm missing out few things. Just let me know in your comments, because this is first time for me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just following everybody's instructions and collating them and just following them. So let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything, or if you have any special advice for me as a first time mom who is going to deliver very soon. I'm almost 36 weeks pregnant, and I think baby is going to be here in the next 2-3 weeks. So pray for me, and hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and stay tuned and subscribe, because more cute videos are coming up. The next video is going to be what I received for my baby shower. It was a very beautiful, cute baby shower arranged by all my girlfriends, and it was a nice surprise. I mean, I knew there's going to be a baby shower, but I didn't know anything about the arrangements. And there was a very cute cake. People who follow me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram by the way, would have seen a lot of the pics as well. So I have received very nice, thoughtful gifts as well, very beautiful gifts, which I'm going to share with you in the next video. So stay tuned, and God bless you. Bye. See you in the next one.